Hi there. In this video, we'll take a look at how to increase the maximum upload size in WordPress. The first will be using a plugin and the second via your website cPanel. So if you don't mind having an additional plugin on your site, let's get started with the first method by heading to our website's backend, hover over plugins, add new, and let's search for file upload size. So let's go with this by Infinite Uploads. Install and activate. And from here you could either click on this or hover over settings and big file uploads. So this is where you get to determine the max upload size for your website. And you also get the option to customize this by user roles. Save this and you're good to go. Now, for those like myself that try to limit the number of plugins on a site, let's get on with the second method. I would assume you know how to get to your website cPanel, so I'm just going to take things up from here. Although this may look different for you if you're using a hosting provider that supports a different layout. What you want to search for will be the multi-PHP INI editor. This you can find under the software tab, and you can still find this using the search bar. So I'm just going to select that. And from here, you'd want to choose the domain you'd like to make changes to. And once that opens up, scroll down this page, and there we have it, the upload max file size. So just input your values here in megabytes and then apply. So if you head back to your website dashboard, we should find the same value we added in from its cPanel. And that's it. A like would be much appreciated if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.